Pritsker, chiropractor at New Century Spine Centers in San Diego. Today I'm going to go over with you a technique that we use in our practice, and this is a technique that we like to use on patients, particularly who like low-force chiropractic care. One of them is the activator technique, which is this instrument over here. We can use this on patients who have osteoporosis, who don't like the typical cracking type of adjustment. And also there's a technique known as sacro-occipital technique, which we use these blocks to actually position under the patient in certain areas to adjust them and to get their pelvis or their back in alignment. It helps with back pain, it helps with sciatica, it helps with leg pain, a lot of different conditions. You want to find out about some different techniques that we use at New Century Spine Centers? Visit us at www.backcaretreatment.com.